Hi, my name is Luigi Glodo. This is the perfume I'll promote from Good Chemistry Company made by Daydreamer. This perfume is made from pure oil and flowers, you know. This perfume really smells good. I will try it to myself because every time I try this, everywhere I go, heads will turn for sure. I will try this now. Here, smell it.
Oh, it really smells good.
Right? I told you so. So, buy my perfume if you want to smell good also. Okay?